Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature 9 popular hairstyle ideas. First up, this gorgeous pixie haircut that features beautiful choppy style baby bangs and layers throughout. Absolutely gorgeous, chic haircuts. And if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we have another haircut transformation. So the stylist gave the client this beautiful bob haircut complete with bangs. And then we see another long to short transformation. Into this beautiful lob haircut with pops of blue and the money piece highlight look. Absolutely gorgeous. Next up, we have another haircut transformation complete with color. Wow, absolutely gorgeous lob haircuts. Color looks amazing. And then we have this beautiful red colored mullet haircut. Very rocker chic vibes with that one. And then we have this gorgeous mixie style haircut. That of course is the take on the baby mullet trend. And then we have another long to lob haircut change. Absolutely gorgeous lob haircut. She looks beautiful. And then we see this beautiful pixie style. As well as a stunning choppy style pixie haircut. So if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.